Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and recover your deleted chat messages and photos there in your Telegram. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you got those kind of problems, what you're gonna do is, instead of going Telegram, you will have to launch your phone's browser. Simply go ahead, type in Telegram support, then you will simply be able to come across this kind of search. Just simply tap on this Telegram support option. Now you can see then you have to type in a message regarding how you want your photos and videos to recover. Simply go ahead, type it in, and then you will add your email. Simply go ahead, add your email address. Simply you will add in your contact number with your country code right there, and then you will simply be tap on the submit, and you will be simply be submitting a request. So yes guys, you will simply do it, and your information right there as asked. Tap on submit. This request will be submitted to Telegram. They will look into it, and they will, in minimum 24 hours, they will let you know in your email address with a message that how, or from Telegram itself, that how they can help you, how it's gonna work out, what you have to do further to actually recover the deleted files, deleted information. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.